Bajaj Boxer X150 2020 version gear selector. This is the gear selector for Bajaj Boxer. You use this one for selecting the gear for your preference. This gearbox, it has about 5 gears. It has a first gear up to 5th gear, and it is made by this way, if you can see. So this is for entering the gears, and you can use this one for disengaging the gear. So this is for engaging the gears, and you can use this for disengaging, but it depends with your preference. Other riders of this motorcycle, they may just use this side by lifting up like this. So the first gear, the second gear, third, fourth, fifth. And if that person or that rider wants to disengage the gear, just support the foot right here, and then you disengage by pulling up to the desired gear. But you can use this just back level support like this one by disengaging the gear by your preference. So it depends. Some of the motorcycle, they don't come with a design like this one, especially those which have quick shifter. So this motorcycle doesn't have quick shifter. Every time you want to engage or to disengage the gear, you are highly advised to use the clutch, which is just right here. You pull the clutch backward, you engage or disengage the gear you want. But for those motorcycles such as the Honda, Yamaha R1, there is a BMW S1000. I saw some of them, they have quick shifter, whereby the system or the computer or the motorcycle's computer recognizes or knows when you want to shift the gear, so it isn't the clutch for you, so that you can shift the gear efficiently and easily. But for this Indian motorcycle brand, it is highly advised every time you want to change the gear for your desired preference, either engaging or disengaging. When using this gear selector, you are advised to use the clutch all the time. That ensures the maximum efficient, and there is no damage for the gears on this gearbox. So that's how to use the gear selector as you want. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you won't miss other future updates. Thank you, and see you on the next one.